So the bond which is being formed due to the mutual sharing of electron pairs, that is called as a covalent bond. We can say that, which results in the formation of stable molecule. So the compound formed as a result of covalent bond is known as what? Covalent compound. And the number of electron pair which shares, number of electron pair. Suppose if it shares one electron pair, it is said to be as single covalent bond. It is said to be as single covalent bond. Single covalent bond. If it shares two pair of electrons, it is known as double covalent bond. And if it shares three pair of electrons, it is said to be as triple covalent bond. Triple in this way. So number of electron pair which shares between the combining atoms to form a covalent molecule, a stable molecule, is known as covalency. Based upon that, we are having single, double, triple in this way. Now we are going to see it diagrammatically how this covalent bond formation is going to take place. Same thing, we are going to see the electron dot diagram first. So in the electron dot diagram, that is, first we will see the formation of, let us say, oxygen molecule. That is, or let us say the first we'll start from the single bond itself. Okay, let us see the formation of, that is, fluorine molecule. Let us say fluorine. The formation of fluorine molecule will start with a single bond, because F we are having a single bond. It is F single bond F. So fluorine, it is having atomic number 9, so it is 2 7. Electronic configuration is similarly another fluorine atom will also have the same thing. So one fluorine atom is having in the outermost shell how many electrons? 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6, and here it is 1 7. Now it is having one electron less. Remember it, one electron less to attain what? The octet structure. Similarly, another fluorine atom also will have the same thing. So you need to write the unpaired electron on the same side. Then only the sharing is going to take place. Now this you need to practice, this all things. Then only it will be done. So what I have done it is, you can see the unpaired electron, I have kept it in one particular side. Now what is going to happen if I keep the unpaired electron in one side? This is going to happen. So this unpaired electron of one fluorine atom, it shares with another fluorine atom to form a F single bond F, which is nothing but a fluorine molecule. We can say that. Clear? See here. So it is having 7 electrons here, it is having 7 electrons here. So it is having 1 electron less. Both are having 1 electron less to attain the octet structures. I have kept the one unpaired electrons in near to each other, because they will come closer to each other as they are having very, both are having what you can say low or same electron affinity, I should say that, or high electron affinity, whatever it is. Whether it is having low or high. Basically, covalent bond is formed between the non-metals. So they have basically high electron affinity and high ionization energy. We can say that, because you know that when you move from left to right across a period, electron affinity, ionization energy increases. So you can see the pairing of electron takes place, or the sharing of electron takes place. And how many pair we are getting it here? Single. One single bond we are getting it here. So the what you can say, the pairing of one electron pair or the sharing of one electron pair gives rise to a single bond. Hence we get it F2. Similarly, we can draw it for the oxygen molecule, or we can draw it for the nitrogen molecule also. We can say that. Suppose I draw it for the nitrogen molecule. Let us say nitrogen. So nitrogen is having, that is atomic number 7. So 2 5. So same thing, nitrogen 1 2, then 3 4 5, as you can see it here. Now another nitrogen 1 2 3 4 5. Now you must be asking me here that why I kept the 3 electrons here, because here it is having how many? 5. So how many more it requires? 3 more. This also requires 3 more, this also requires 3 more. So hence, if this sharing is going to take place with the 3 electrons here, this nitrogen atom and this nitrogen atom, then it will be done. That is, it will attain the octet structure. Now look here, that is this nitrogen 1 2, it is having 3 here. This nitrogen is also having what you can say same thing, that is 5. So now count it here, 1 2 3, 3 is 6 plus 2 8. For this molecule also 1 2 3, 3 plus 3 6 plus 2 8. So how many pair of electron it shares? 3 pair. Here it is single pair, here it is 3 pair. So how many bond then? Triple bond, N triple bond N. So what is the molecule we get it? That is N2 molecule. So this is nothing but the electron dot diagram for the what you can say the nitrogen molecule, for the fluorine molecule. In this way we can, now these are said to be as a non-polar molecule. We can say that. Now what is non-polar? I will come to it. This is a non-polar molecule, we can say. Now let us draw it for some polar molecule. Let us draw it. Okay, thank you very much.